Will this recipe change everything you thought you knew about Caesars? It too, Chad?
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a dessert Caesar. It's really sweet and good and has nothing to do with real Caesars. But it's okay, because it's going to be fun and sweet. Let's get to it. Step 1, rum. One rum. One rum to rule them all. Yeah, yeah, yeah! We'll say like I fall down some stairs and I twist my ankle really bad. This is what it sounds like. Ah! Spout your rum. Ooh.
Ribbed for her pleasure.
We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of spicy rum. 1.5 ounces of spicy rum for you. 1.5 ounces of spicy rum for me. By your mouth. So if this is a Caesar, would this technically be a rummin' holiday? That sip hurts as much as that joke. Next up, I'm gonna use some Butterscotch Liqueur because it smells and tastes really good. 1 ounce of Butterscotch Liqueur. Yay! If you're gonna serve that to a guest, maybe don't put your tongue in it, unless they're into that sort of thing. 1 ounce of cream. Are you still good, cream? I hope you're still... 1 ounce of cream. Ooh. Whoops, cream facial. Why there's so many caps everywhere? Don't need all these caps. No, stop drinking cream. Cap party. What a creamy episode. Vanilla extract, the pure kind. Don't drink it, we've learned that lesson 8 times. 1/4 teaspoon of fresh vanilla. Why did the syrup fail basic math? Because he was a simple syrup. You're not smart, but you have a lot of charisma. Like me. 1 ounce of Leo syrup. Mrs. Better's Bitters Miraculous Foamer. 2, 3, one of all this of Miraculous Foamer. Party in my mouth that the people I didn't want to show up showed up. It burns so much. First up, get yourself a mug. You ugly mug. I'm sorry. That was not very polite. You're also gonna wanna get yourself some high quality frosting. I got Betty Crocker. It's a crock of... Ah, it worked. Rim your mug. You have to use a lot of frosting or else people won't click on the thumbnail. Do as I do, not as I do. Do I use the blue sprinkles or the red sprinkles? Sprinkle time. It takes a sprinklage. I'm an artist. I'm an artist. I'm an artist. Oh no, my fingers are blue. It's like I've been playing with Smurfettes. Ice, ice, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! Now shake what your mama gave you. If she gave you a shaker set. Yeah. I'm very alone. Crush. Ha! Like my dreams. Cream soda. Oopsies. Also like my dreams. And then we're gonna top with some cream soda. Something's missing. Now garnish with 2 Hostess cupcakes because you've got class and you're a special lady. Dessert Ceasar. I'm allowed to make silly things sometimes. That's sweet. Woo! Wow! Let's go. You got a little garnish snack. Make sure it's mixed. Oops, oh no. Ah, there it is. Oh no. I got it. It's all good, guys. This is the future. I don't care what anyone says. A little bit of frosting to go with the frosting. Bye, friends. Silly.